Hello friends, so Nvidia is indicating a big price fall if it does not satisfy certain criteria because the stock has already moved quite significantly from the lows and the indicators are stretched out. So let me zoom this chart, and this is the weekly price chart which we have in front of us. Yes, I mean, when I'm talking about a big price fall, does not mean that it has entered into a bear territory. There are certain conditions for that. But when we are looking at this particular stock, right now this range is active and there are certain criterias. If only it satisfies those criterias, then the fall will initiate, but not now. Okay. So right now the stock is trading in between these three levels. So you have 154 as our support and 140 which is our stop loss. On the upside we have our target and resistance at 212 or 213. So if Nvda surpasses and sustain above 213, then whatever I'm going to explain will be nullified and it does not make any sense. The fall will initiate if the stock falls below 140 or lower. Okay, in case that happens, then you may see a big range on the downside may become active. So it does not mean that I'm just saying that either this will happen or that will happen, because there is an weakness, and that weakness is coming out because the indicators are very stretched, so does the price. So that is why you have to be very sure that if Nvda falls below 41 140 or lower, levels like 87 or 75 will become active thereafter, and that is something which you must look at. And that will probably not be an end of the story, because if it will find support in between 75 and 87 in bear case scenario, then that is fine. But if it will fall below 75, then that will be a start of a major crash. Okay, so right now the stock is now trading in between a very narrow range, which will be in between 140 and 213. So if you are looking for an upside, let the stock surpass and sustain above 213. But if it falls below 140 or lower, levels like 75 and 87 will become active, and it may take couple of weeks, couple of months, depending upon how the price will move, because I'm talking about the long term trend. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.